In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export photos from Lightroom. Whether you're sharing a few edits or delivering a full gallery, exporting is the final step that turns your Lightroom edits into actual image files you can use anywhere. Start in the Library module and select the photos you want to export. You can work in the grid view to see everything at once, or use the film strip along the bottom to quickly highlight individual images or arrange. Make sure only the photos you want are selected, because Lightroom will export exactly what's highlighted. Next, open the Export dialog. Go to the File menu and choose Export. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl plus Shift plus E on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus E on a Mac. This brings up one central window where you'll set all your export options, and you can see every choice in one place. At the top, choose your export location. Pick the folder where the exported files should go, maybe a project folder or your desktop for quick access. If you want Lightroom to group them neatly, enable the subfolder option and type a clear folder name. If you're planning to save these settings as a preset and decide the destination later, choose the option to select the folder at export time. File naming is optional, but helpful. If you need consistent names, choose a naming template or type a custom pattern, such as a project label plus a sequence number. If you're happy with the original names, you can skip this. Under File Settings, choose your format. JPEG is the common choice for sharing and web use. If you pick JPEG, set the quality. A value around 90 balances image detail and file size well. For color space, sRGB is the safest pick for screens and online platforms. TIFF, PSD, DNG, or Original are available if your workflow requires them. In image sizing, decide if you want to resize. You can set dimensions by long edge or by width and height for a specific output. If you leave resize to fit unchecked, Lightroom exports at the photo's native dimensions, keeping your original resolution. Output. Sharpening lets you tailor crispness for the final medium. Choose screen for online viewing, or matte paper, or glossy paper if you're preparing prints, and then pick a strength that suits your image. Standard is a reliable starting point. When everything looks right, click Export. Lightroom will process your selection and create the files in the folder you chose. Once it's done, open that folder to confirm everything looks the way you expect. And that's it. You've successfully exported your photos from Lightroom.